what we see here that even if you have an idea, you need to get a lot of contacts at every level in a government hierarchy. You need to pay money to get your offer cleared. So that is why we need to do a lot at fundamental level to develop this feeling of entrepreneurship if we want India to develop in real sense.
I do believe that actually just comparing job with entrepreneurship, I think the things are very straightforward. It is true, I'll say outright that entrepreneurship is better than job. But then we have to say the place where it's actually working out. Means US is a place where we have a rule of law. Now India also has...
Can't have only job seeker or only job creator.
Yeah, that's true.
Optimized level of job creator people kind of thing, so that we have equal opportunities for all kind of people according to what they deserve.
The major challenge is here the security factor, because in jobs we have a security factor in India at least, and in entrepreneurship there is no security factor to us. So I think the major factor governing the choice of jobs and entrepreneurship is the security factor here.
But I think we need to change ourselves now. We don't have to think about only risk and all. We cannot develop if we are just thinking about the risk. We have to take risk.
And one point I would like to add that in India it is like the students are ready to
This is what I think. The entrepreneurs are born optimistic. They need feedback. They need positive feedback. They are afraid of the failures. So just for the startup, entrepreneurship is very good. But to continue after 5-10 years, we just have to. The business just falls down. So I think job is better than entrepreneurship.
There are two factors involved in this. One is security, and the other being risks. But the aim of what we finally want to do in life is we have to live a life, we have to earn a living, and that's where we make a choice. Do we get a secured job or do we take risk and do entrepreneurship? So I think you have to make a mix of both of them so that you are secured financially, but at the same time, if you